All right, here's a look at this 50-inch Casablanca Panama 2. The finish is in classic white, not antique white. The classic white is a little more whitish than the actual antique white. The antique white is more cream colored, if that makes sense. This particular fan was manufactured May 15th, 2003, and it was the 479th fan made that day. The serial number on it is ENN0479, which indicates May 15th, 2003. The 479 indicates that it was the 479th fan manufactured that day. So we'll kind of go over it real quick and give you an in-depth look at it. Overall, the finish is in very good shape. There are a few very minor blemishes like that one. And I believe there was one right here on this bracket. And the only other visible one is right here. There's a couple more up top. Those pictures will be on the listing. This fan is for sale on eBay. So just thought I'd give a video on what you're looking at here. Every painted surface on this fan was thoroughly cleaned and got a coat of wax. The blades I cleaned up with lemon pledge so they have a nice sheen or luster on them. 3-speed fan, it all works. It's very quiet. So we'll go ahead and start it up on the lowest speed here. This fan features the XLP 2000 motor. And you get that very nice Casablanca low speed. Still puts out a very gentle breeze and also very aesthetically pleasing. Here's medium. One thing that's quite unique about Casablancas, on the older ones at least, is that the pull chain sequence goes low, medium, high. Here's high speed. There's a very slight wobble. I'm gonna blame that on the mounting setup. It is not really ideal. It's not screwed into a box. And it's also very close to the floor. I can imagine some of the air being pushed down is going back up and causing the fan to wobble. We'll go ahead and shut it off here. And I will go ahead and briefly demonstrate the reverse to make sure that you all know that works. I'm going to go through this a little quicker here. But as you can hear, very quiet. I did not need to replace the bearings on this one. They still seem to be in very good shape. And there's high. And if you've noticed, the wobble has decreased some. So again, that might be because of the way I have it mounted down here in my basement. I don't think it'll do that if it's installed regularly. But if it does, it can be very easily balanced, and I will include a balancing kit. And that just about does it. I thank you for watching, and if you got to this video from the eBay listing, thank you for considering this fan, and you all have a good day.